Hello friends, welcome to our today's session. In this series, we will cover analytics and AI related topic, and in our today's video, we will have a look at Databricks AI Playground environment. So AI Playground inside Databricks provides us many LLM models that is available for us to consume. And in this video, we will focus on the models that is available within Databricks free edition, which we can consume it for free, like Gamma, OpenAI's GPT OSS or GPT 5.1, Llama, and Claude is available within Databricks paid version. It is not available for free. In this video, we will cover only Databricks free edition. We will get used to it, like how we can access it and how we can change the configurations inside the AI playground. And in our later videos, we will check how we can generate a token and how we can consume these models as a API. So that being said, let us move ahead over today's demo. We are into my Databricks free edition account, and this is a home page where you will find some useful informations. You can check on the templates that is available by default to connect to the data, and also there are some free courses for beginners to start with, and also some project related templates which can be a quick starter for you guys to learn. And for us, for this today's video, to learn about playground, click on this top left three buttons, and under AML session you will find the option called playground, which will open up a page in which you will have a playground, and here you will have a drop down to select the models. It has GPT, Quinn, Llama, Meta, Gamma available for us to access it freely. And with GPT 5.1, since it is recently embedded, we do have some issues. Once it is fixed, I will let you know in the comment. But all the other models are working fine. I have tested it. Let me choose GPT OSS, which is a reasoning model, good for reasoning and providing the response. So let me select. And other than that, you can incorporate the tools, either an inbuilt tool or else the custom tool that you have built, that can also be added along with this model by using this option. Just you can add the tool. You can add up to 20 tools to this model. And other than that, in the left side you can see configure endpoint, in which you have some settings to make changes to the temperature, top p, and then the top k and max tokens. So here max tokens can be changed. Let me change to 2000. And also if you need to change any parameters, you can change it. And since it is a GPT OSS reasoning model, you have a toggle for reasoning option as well, and also to select high, medium, low. If you don't want the reasoning, then you can turn it off by toggling it off. And also you can find one more feature called AI Judge, which is in a preview mode, and this runs on top of Mosaic AI, and this helps us in evaluating the response that is given by the selected model, whether the response is safe, secured. And you also have option to have a custom judge, which we will see in our later part of videos. So this is all about the settings that we can configure. And if you scroll down, you will find another option for synthetic question generation as well. Like it will help us in suggesting the questions on top of the response that it has generated. Without any further ado, let us try some questions. Let me put high first. So you can see with GPT OSS, since the response is on, reasoning is on, you can see view thoughts. So it will create a thought for reasoning, and then it will generate a response. So this is one. And then let me check. So it will give us the response along with the view thoughts as well. Let us try with the judge enabled. Let me again put the same question. So you can see the AI judge got generated. It is giving safe, relevant. So these kind of informations will be helpful for us to validate the response that is being generated. So here, if you have noticed, I have not even started any cluster, be it a classic cluster or also serverless cluster. I have not started. So this playground is automatically handled and monitored and managed by Databricks managed serverless cluster. So it will automatically be up and running for us to consume. So that is one point to notice. So this is what I thought of showing in today's video. I hope this is useful for you guys. Try this in your own Databricks account and let me know if you face any issues. I'm happy to help you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and also give a thumbs up signal if you really like my content. Thank you.